Okay, these are the two engines for sale, both on a part skid. The reason being is part skid because it's come out of it's come off the unit, which is in the back of the van, which is welded. And all you need to do is add some rubber shocks to these, and then put a base plate underneath the skid, and then you've got a skid. Anyway, I'll start both these engines up. They both start up first time, and then I'll give you an overview of each engine. So we'll go from there. Okay, we'll start the first one up. Okay, that's the first engine. Just give me a minute to put the battery and the petrol onto the other. You see, this one's over revving. Now, because it's an EFI engine, I'm expecting there's far too much fuel going into the carburettor or the electronic fuel injection system. And I think that is why it needs diagnosing to be put on a meter on a Briggs machine. But this one's had 3 months use out in the field, as they say. And the other one, that's had about a year's use out in the field. So if you want one, they're ready for collection. £500 each. Let's try again, see if it goes on full chat. There we go. Now it's gone off to normal tick over. Let's turn the control set. They are going. See, so it does run on tick over. It just gets stuck now and again on full throttle. So that's why it needs looking at. And that concludes the engine. Okay, so I'll show you each engine and go through the problem. This one here on the first engine, this keyway is a little bit worn in there. I've repaired it a little bit, but ideally it needs to be spot welded on to keep the keyway in place. That seems to have done the job at the moment. You stick a gearbox right on there. So take the keyway off here, and that's the keyway. I've got plenty of these keyway new ones, so I can throw a couple of them in. It's not a problem. Okay, as you can see, this engine's a little bit older. This has had a year's use. Both EFI engines. Here's the other one, which is a lot newer. This has had 3 months service. And as I've mentioned about the sticky accelerator, well, it's not sticky, it's a fault somewhere that needs going on a machine to find out what the fault is. The shaft is absolutely fine on this one and keyway. Both come with skid plates. So I'm asking 500 each. But if you want to take them both on, I'll do them for 900. You can have the starter cables. You just need a battery and a fuel supply. Okay, any questions, just let me know. Cheers.